Alright, just out for a cruise. I have the air on. It's about 102 out. The temp's not perfect by any means, but you know, it's not boiling over, which is good. Like before, when the ignition was cutting out, we were boiling over. Now, you know, we're kind of staying put. And I was down in traffic a little bit, so we have that going for us. Yeah, so pretty good. Happy camper, so just got back, and you can see the temp is, she's definitely boiling, you can hear it. So definitely would like to address this cooling system, get something a little better in there for a radiator, maybe discuss what we got going for a water pump. I know Alan said they put a different water pump pulley and it helped it, which it's definitely helping it, because most of these cars, they would have vomited profusely long ago with the air on. So I definitely want to get rid of that chintzy fan as well, so we'll discuss, we'll go from there. Gary should be here any minute, actually. Don't mind me, just taking a piss, I guess. Getting cars to work in the desert does not happen, ever.